The Enlightenment, a celebration of reason. The Enlightenment, often called the Age of Reason, was characterized by a deep faith in human reason and a belief in progress. Enlightenment thinkers championed individual liberty, scientific inquiry, religious tolerance, and the power of human intellect to solve societal problems. They questioned traditional authority, challenged religious dogma, and advocated for political reforms based on reason and natural rights. Figures like Voltaire, Rousseau, and Locke became leading voices of the Enlightenment, their ideas spreading like wildfire across Europe and beyond. These ideas planted the seeds for revolutionary changes in politics, economic, and social structures. The American and French revolutions, both deeply influenced by Enlightenment ideals, are prime examples of this transformative power. Conservative concerns, a counterpoint to progress. While the Enlightenment ignited a passion for progress and change, it also provoked a backlash from those who held more conservative views. Conservatives, while not necessarily opposed to all forms of change, were deeply concerned about the potential consequences of rapid radical transformation. Key concerns included the rejection of tradition. Conservatives worried that Enlightenment's emphasis on reason and individual autonomy would undermine long-standing traditions, customs, and institutions that had provided stability and order for centuries. They feared that discarding these traditions would lead to social chaos and moral decline. The danger of unchecked individualism. While conservatives valued individual liberty, they also recognized the importance of social bonds and community. They cautioned against the dangers of excessive individualism, which they believed could erode social cohesion and lead to a fragmented society. The limits of reason. Conservatives questioned the Enlightenment's unwavering faith in human reason. They argued that reason alone was insufficient to guide human affairs and that traditions, religious faith, and historical experience also played crucial roles in shaping a just and stable society. Edmund Burke, a leading voice of conservative response. One of the most influential figures in articulating the conservative response to the Enlightenment was the Irish statesman and philosopher Edmund Burke. In his writings, particularly the Reflections on the Revolution in France, Burke offered a powerful critique of the French Revolution, arguing that it was a dangerous experiment that would ultimately lead to tyranny and chaos. Burke's ideas, which emphasized the importance of tradition, prudence, and gradual change, became a cornerstone of modern conservative thought. His warnings about the dangers of revolutionary upheaval and the limits of abstract reason continue to resonate with the conservatives today. The ongoing conversation. The tension between Enlightenment ideals and conservative concerns continues to shape political and social discourse in our own time. Debates about the role of government, the balance between individual liberty and social responsibility, and the importance of tradition versus progress are still very much alive. We can better appreciate the complexities of these issues and engage in more nuanced and productive dialogue.